Hey guys, so I've actually had a very hard week. My apartment's a mess, and I've neglected my favorite season, which is fall. I haven't even decorated my apartment yet. So let's catch up, clean, and decorate. Hello guys. I'm still in my pajamas, I haven't put on makeup, and I haven't done my hair. I haven't showered today. That's okay. We're gonna normalize getting your life back on track after you go through a really bad week, whatever you're going through. You know, I don't want to talk about things that have happened the past week and a half, but if you guys watch the Niki and Gabi channel or Gabi's channel, you guys know what me and my family are going through. I literally knew I had to take last week off. Filming a video was not even in the cards for me. That's why I skipped an upload last week. I don't feel really up to filming a video, which is why I just want to do a super real, chill, relaxed, deep cleaning, decluttering video and decorating for Halloween because that makes me happy, hence my pajamas. I want to say the messiest parts are definitely my bathroom. Towels on the floor, hair stuff everywhere, skincare stuff everywhere, my kitchen. I don't want to even talk about my kitchen. Everything's just a mess, and my living room has just become my clutter station. I don't want to get rid of this. Is this a hoarding tendency, or is it cute to keep? It is hoarding? I just need to clean, and I know it'll make me feel better. Also, before I start cleaning, I sound like a walking ad, but I am having a live show and meet and greet November 4th in New York City. All the information is linked down below. And yeah, I can't wait to meet you guys. But without further ado, let's get cleaning and let's feel better. So first things first, I have to declutter. I can't clean unless I get all the clutter off the surfaces and the furniture. And since this coffee table is black, you can literally see all of the dust and crumbs. So I definitely want to use a generic surface and glass cleaner, scrub that down, and make sure the black table is looking nice and clean. Buddy just came. Oh! Already looking for toys.
Your place smells so good.
Really?
Yeah.
We lit the fall candles. Let's show off that little hoodie. Pumpkin spice life. Coming in at a good second next to my living room is my kitchen counters that have become the place of clutter. Deadass kitchen counters stress me out so much, but when they're clean, they are so satisfying and so worth the effort. We are going to declutter the fruit, what is it called? Fruit basket? Fruit display? Well, this is my junk drawer. It's like a fruit basket to for decor, and then just all this shit piled up. Okay, I bought all these hand sanitizers the second they had fall scents in the summertime, put them in this fruit basket, and have been using winter leftover sanitizers from last year, wondering where my new fall scents went, and they all went in here.
Out of place this morning is an ordinary face.
And look how cozy she looks. And she's not even decorated for fall yet. It's so hard to clean when your dog is being so cute. I just want to cuddle. My glam suite, as you guys know, is a converted hallway, guest bathroom, and guest bedroom turned into my getting ready area. This area gets extremely messy very fast, especially when I'm in a bad mood, so we got a lot of cleaning to do here. I have not vlogged in here in a while. I honestly miss standing here trying on clothes for you guys. I promise we have so many fashion videos coming. We have 2 Halloween costume videos I'm actually making for you guys for 2021. I'm gonna put all my stuff for my videos somewhere off the floor so I can vacuum. I'm still figuring that out. And yeah, we're gonna vacuum, surface clean my vanity. I'm not gonna touch my clothes. Everything's a mess. Everything's a mess because it's Halloween, but it's my favorite time of the year. get dressed. All right, guys, this is the fun part. We're going to Hobby Lobby. So I already have a doormat, but it's Christmas and it's been up year round, so we're gonna get this. Come on in and cozy up. Yes. So let's get this for the coffee table. This little book is cool. I love this. I want to find somewhere to put this. I should get this chest for Buddy's toys. Yeah, never mind. That was $100. Not for my dog's toys. Alright guys, this is my boring entryway area. Literally there's nothing to it, but we now have this festive wreath. We have like gold skulls, some red flowers, black flowers. It's literally me in a wreath, so we upgrade it. Oh, it's so cute. And guys, I've had this carpet since winter 2019, since I moved here. We have a new doormat. Come on in and cozy up. 1 second, I'm just gonna see what this looks like from right here. I'm obsessed. So cute. So I got this sparkly skull pillow that'll make a great addition to my living room pillow collection. I also found this black cup that's gonna help keep all my remotes more organized so that way I don't have as much clutter. I found this adorable old looking black clock that matches the remote holder perfectly as well as the table, so this little area is turning into a whole vibe. Now, I didn't expect to find so much decor for my dining room table, but I did, and I'm just gonna let the decorations speak for themselves. I'm not gonna tease anything, just watch how the table comes together. It's honestly so spooky. I'm obsessed. Voila! Wow, I did this! Also, guys, I showed TikTok, but I didn't show you guys my balcony. I'm so proud. It's so nice out here. You can come. I'm actually obsessed with my balcony. I love to sit out here. Yeah, so I basically have like orange and purple lights and then spider web, and then I have whatever this is. It's, you know, a vibe. Alright guys, whew, I've been going all day, but yeah, I'm tired. I'm literally tired. I'm going to put on like Baking Moors Halloween edition. Subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, get a ticket to my show in New York City. But I am going to bed in this comfy ass bed with my new blanket. Yeah, this video really did make me feel mentally better. Like, you really do feel better after you clean, like dead ass. Also, we've been super active on Niki and Gabi. I feel like this summer, like, we kind of took not a break, but we just weren't as active. We are uploading every single week. If you guys forgot to watch our last few videos, go check them out. They're some of my favorite. My favorite one is the boyfriend swap on fall dates. We're filming another Niki and Gabi video tomorrow, and I'm really excited about that one because we're going all out. So subscribe to me, subscribe to Niki and Gabi, and Buddy just farted. All right, and on that note, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.